Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all having a great weekend, and welcome to this video in which we're going to be talking about the measurable data token. It was requested by some of you, so I just wanted to take a look at it. Has been one of the most volatile and bullish AI cryptos in the last 7 days, I believe. Yeah, still 7 days, beginning of last week. And also today, I mean, today we were actually quite bullish. I mean, we'll take a look at the technicals as well, mainly. There it doesn't look as good as what it looks like. Excuse me, on the CoinMarketCap chart, but still we were very bullish. Volume also up to 90 million. Most of that coming from credible sources as well. There's some volume coming from sources which I don't like, but nothing to worry about. So in general, the AI narrative basically in the whole market was pretty strong in the last 2 days, something like that, last 24 hours, something. But for MDT, it was quite strong as well. It was relatively stronger than for others. But essentially, let's take a look at the technicals. Essentially, what it looks like is just a very strong and clear second rally, which most of you know what it is. A second rally is basically that after a coin has had a major rally, then from the first really strong level we find, we can rally again. So we already did that from 5 cents, which was a very strong psychological level. And now we also did that from 4.5 and the 100 EMA, which is a little bit stronger of a technical level. And the one thing you need to do if you want that second rally to continue and to get back up to levels we were at before, like 7.5 and 8 cents, is you really need to break through the strongest resistance. And in the case of MDT, the strongest resistance really was this level right here, around 6 cents. And that's also where we found resistance right now. So there's like a very small chance, in my opinion, that we can still get above that by finding support at like 5.4, maybe 5 cents, and then doing something like that. But that's really what we have to do. We really have to find support very quickly, break above 6 cents. And if we do that, we are very bullish. We're going up to 7.5 and we can actually challenge new tops. But as I said, just technically, and I think most of you can agree with me on that, just technically this really looks like a clear second rally. And usually those second rallies don't, after they have started dropping, which we have clearly started to do. If you take a look at the 15-minute time frame, for example, the bullish momentum practically ended about 4 hours ago. So it seems more likely, excuse me, well, it seems more likely that maybe not with a crash, but that we will slowly but surely drop back down to 5 cents and also down to 4.5 and then down to 4.3. Now then the big question becomes, can we actually drop down further than that? And I think the answer is yes. I think there's a chance that we'll drop down to our next level, which would be 3.5 cents. But it's, or yeah, maybe 4 cents even. 4 cents. It depends on where the 200 EMA is. If the 200 EMA rises all the way up to 4 cents, then that could be a very strong support level. But I do think in general that we're going for lower lows. I also think the AI narrative will continue, but it seems to have, it seems to be on standby for a moment. And while it's on standby, I think MDT, together with the market, is actually going to be relatively bearish. Therefore, I expect us to drop down at least to our previous lows at 4.5 and 4.3. But once we have gotten to those lows, we'll also start talking, and I think there's quite a realistic chance that we'll also drop down to 4 cents. But I'll keep you updated on that. We'll discuss it in the Discord, so make sure to join that as well. But for now, that's my take on MDT. If you have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.